Simple English News. Breaking news in simple English.
This video brings today's world news in simple English. It is made for English beginners who want real news with simple English. You can learn English and understand the world at the same time. Today, we have very big news from the Middle East region. On Saturday, the United States and Israel attacked many places in Iran. This was a very large attack with many planes and missiles. This news is very important for people all around the world today. United States President Donald Trump spoke about the attack in a video. He posted this video on social media for everyone to see clearly. In the video, Trump talked directly to the people of Iran. He asked the Iranian people to take control of their government. Trump said the government of Iran has caused many big problems. He said they have fought against America for 47 long years. He also said the Iranian government hurt many innocent people too. Trump told the Iranian people to stay safe during the attacks. Then he told them to take their government when it ends. This is a very big change for the two countries today. The United States and Israel want to change how Iran works. They have had many problems with Iran for a long time. The first strikes of the attack were in the city of Tehran. Tehran is the very big capital city of the country Iran. The planes targeted the home of the leader of Iran today. His name is Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, and he is very old. He's 86 years old and he lives in downtown Tehran. It is not clear if the leader was home during this. People in the city saw a lot of smoke in the air. The smoke was rising high above the buildings in the capital. The attack did not stay only in the country of Iran. It quickly moved to many other places in the Middle East. The Revolutionary Guard is a special military group inside of Iran. They said they started to fight back against the two countries. They sent many drones and missiles to the country of Israel. Drones are small planes that do not have a human pilot. Israel told all the people in their country to be ready. The military in Israel tried to shoot down the Iranian drones. In the country of Bahrain, there was a very loud attack. A missile hit a base for the United States Navy there. Bahrain is a small island country near the country of Iran. People there heard the loud sirens and many loud explosions today. In the country of Kuwait, people also heard many loud noises. Kuwait is home to a big part of the American Army. Iraq and the United Arab Emirates closed their sky to planes. They do not want any planes to fly over them now. Sirens for danger were heard in the country of Jordan today. In Yemen, a group called the Houthis spoke about the war. This group is friends with the government of the country Iran. They said they will attack ships in the Red Sea soon. They also said they will try to attack the country Israel. Two people from the group talked about these new attack plans. They did not want to give their names to the news. There was no official news from the leaders of the group. President Trump said the United States started big operations in Iran. He said they have many fighter jets and warships nearby. The United States wants Iran to stop its nuclear program now. A nuclear program can be used to make very big bombs.
Trump said that Iran is still working on these big bombs. He also said Iran wants to make missiles for long trips. These missiles could reach the United States from the Middle East. Trump said that some American soldiers might die in this war. He said that bad things often happen when there is war. Iran said they stopped working on nuclear material in June, but they did not let people go inside their buildings. The United States bombed those same buildings during a short war. New satellite photos show people working at those sites again today. This suggests that Iran is trying to fix the broken buildings. Iran says they only make missiles for short and medium trips. Their missiles can travel about 2,000 kilometers in the air. This means their missiles can reach all of the Middle East. They can also reach some parts of Eastern Europe right now. There is no proof that Iran has very long missiles today, but the United States is still very worried about their program. Tensions between the countries have been very high for weeks. American warships moved into the sea near the country of Iran. Trump said he wants a deal to stop the nuclear program. He thinks this is a good time to attack the country. Many people in Iran are not happy with their own government. There were many protests in the streets of Iran recently, too. Iran wanted to avoid a war with the United States, but they say they have a right to their nuclear program. They do not want to talk about their long missiles today. They also support some other armed groups in the Middle East. These groups are called Hamas and also a group called Hezbollah. Trump listed many problems that started a long time ago. The Prime Minister of Israel also spoke about the joint attack. His name is Benjamin Netanyahu, and he is a strong leader. Israel thinks that Iran is a very big enemy to them. Netanyahu said the attack will remove a very big threat. He said the attack will help the brave people of Iran. He wants the people to choose their own future very soon. The Israeli military attacked the Iranian military and the government buildings. They also attacked the intelligence buildings where people share secrets. Hours after the first attack, the Iranian military fought back. They sent a first wave of drones and missiles to Israel. They promised to hit American bases in the Middle East, too. Many loud explosions were heard across the country of Israel. Israel worked very hard to stop the missiles in the air. We do not know if many people are hurt yet. Several hospitals in Israel are working in a special way now. They moved their patients and doctors to rooms under the ground. This is to keep the sick people safe from the bombs. United States embassies told their workers to stay inside their homes. They told all Americans in the area to do the same. They must stay in a safe place until it is over. Media in Iran reported many attacks all across the large country. The roads to the leader's home were closed by the police. More explosions were heard in the capital city of Tehran today. This happened after Israel said it was attacking the country. The government in Iran has not said how many people died. We are waiting for more news about this very big fight. Many people are worried about what will happen next in Iran. The world is watching the news very closely at this time. It is a very difficult time for everyone in the region. Many people hope that the fighting will stop very soon today. We will bring you more news as we get more information. Learning English helps you understand these big events in our world. Thanks for watching today's Easy English News. Please subscribe to get the latest updates every day. See you in the next video.